Today on Nate's Interactive Auto, I'm going to show you how to fix slow car windows or stuck windows. Check these two windows out, the passenger and driver's side. Notice the passenger side was much slower. It's more obvious in this one when I raise the windows up. Alright guys, so let me show you how to fix that with some silicone spray. I'll just be using CRC heavy duty silicone spray, multi-use silicone lubricant. As you can see, they have a picture of a window track right on the bottle, but most silicone sprays will work. All we're going to do is spray in the window track. This will help to lubricate any seals that's dried up, but it will not help a mechanical issue. You can let gravity do most of the work, just spraying from the top. Now you want to run your window up and down. Now we'll spray the last window, the one that had the most problems, the passenger side. If you accidentally get any on the paint, just wipe it off with a mild soap. Now the other side. Now we'll work this window up and down. I'm really curious to see with it side by side in the other window if it can actually match the speed of the other window. Remember, if you have any mechanical issues, this probably won't solve that problem. Finally, the moment of truth. Will this actually fix the problem with slow-moving car windows? Oh, that was almost perfectly equal. Now, for the hard part, moving upward. Perfect. Well guys, it's much closer this time, but not perfectly improved. Preventative maintenance is key. Continually doing this ever so often makes a big difference. Thanks for watching Nate's Interactive Auto.